Okay, Tyler, we made it. Just a good back into the garage trick with the old canned ham. See, just pull on it, and it comes on up. Look at how I was driving it. Was that the best first drive?
I hope you can't see anything.
Was that the best first drive?
Yeah, probably.
Best first drive. Here it is. 1970 AMC Gremlin.
Make sure you like and subscribe because we're building the Gremlin.
Alright, this is the start of the Gremlin build. This is his first car and first project. And we're figuring out what is here, what we need to order, and we'll show you everything that's missing and some plans we have for it. So tell us what you got down here.
So first, in these boxes, we have glass panels. That was a special edition that go right here. And this is the locking mechanism. So you can go and you can pop the window out like this. The old vintage ones. So they're a little bit rare. In that box, we have some old hubcaps, a fog light, some other weird things, and a Gremlin gas cap.
Oh, I think it's sweet.
Pop the hood, and if you see in there, there's nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Nothing.
Except wires.
There's cool AMC Motors washer bag still in there. The old plate is there. Nice rusty brakes. Some electronic pieces. Nothing looks too rusty in here though. Cross member. We'll have to figure out some stuff there because we have some plans for it.
Yes. Very good plans.
He does have the grill. We do have the front bumper. The only real damage is this little piece right here where they caught it on the backside and bent it. So we're gonna have to pull that out, fix it, and in return, when they did that, they put a little dent right there. But overall, you can look in that shadow. Those body lines are pretty good. They're pretty straight car. It's nice. See the lines? Overall, really straight car.
The inside, we have seen that they have redone the interior, so it's all black with strips of gray on it, and the dash is pretty much falling apart, so we need to do something about that.
So we have another van over there with a whole bunch more parts because this thing was full of parts when he got it. But overall, this is a black interior. We got a new black panel here. Looks like they got the split bench kind of seats that have been recovered at one point in time. I think they did it when they repainted the car, because this is definitely not a factory color. If the sun was shining, you would see these colorful flakes inside this paint. But it's all there. Dash is pretty decent actually. The cluster, everything's there. It's automatic. Was a 3-speed auto.
The back looks pretty good, but on the window we have these not functioning properly. They kind of come off, so I need to fix that or screw them on somehow. But overall, it's pretty good.
Is this a car you always wanted?
Yeah.
And he saved all his money and bought it himself. He helped pay for the gas and the towing. He paid for the car. The lady we got it from, this was her first car, and it was sitting in the barn for 20 years after the original engine got locked up. Long story short, the guy that was fixing it, who had the trans and the engine, passed away and all was lost. So it sat in the garage. She got married and moved on and gave him the opportunity to buy it.
pretty cool.
So this is start of the AMC Gremlin build. They're gonna do most of it. There's of course technical things I have to help with. We could go show you the engine, give you some ideas and plans for it. I think that's coming up in the next episode, so stay around for that. We'll show you what's going on the inside. We still need to look for some parts, get things sorted. But for now, we can at least address what's here, clean it out, get things ready, and make a game plan. Right, guys?
Yeah.
Make a game plan, then we can get starting to fix a little bit of these things that we know are wrong. You know, putting in some of these spare parts that came with the car and getting those sorted. Some of the things we found inside the car, maybe sell to raise some money so we can have more funds to get it fixed. Because I am not paying for anything, and if he can get a better deal, then that's great for him. So he has a few years before he drives. He can save his money, he can work the fields and do all those other things to wash his Can-Ams and all the side hustles to make the cash to build this car, because this will be his car one day, not mine. His name's on the title. He's going to be paying for the insurance. He's going to be fixing it himself, and I'll assist where I can.
Make sure you like and subscribe because we're building the Gremlin.